Grand Canyon. One of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders of the world. Nestled in the northern part of Arizona, this majestic landscape is part of the Grand Canyon National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Grand Canyon is renowned for its breathtaking views, immense size, and rich geological history. Stretching over 277 miles in length, up to 18 miles in width, and plunging to depths of over a mile, the Grand Canyon offers a visual feast like no other. Its vast expanse reveals a tapestry of colors and geological layers that have been carved by the mighty Colorado River over millions of years. Join me on this breathtaking journey as we explore the stunning landscapes, rich history, and fascinating facts about this iconic destination. Whether you're planning a visit or simply dreaming of this natural wonder, there's always something new to discover about the Grand Canyon. Ready to turn your travel dreams into reality? Subscribe to Affirm Travel and start your journey today. Did you know that the Grand Canyon's rock layers tell a story that spans nearly 2 billion years? From the ancient Vishnu schist at the bottom to the relatively younger Kaibab limestone at the top, each layer represents a different chapter in Earth's history. It's like reading a giant, colorful book written by nature itself. The Colorado River, often called the lifeblood of the Grand Canyon, has played a crucial role in shaping this magnificent landscape. Over millions of years, its relentless flow has carved the canyon deeper and deeper, revealing the secrets hidden within the rock. One of the best ways to experience the Grand Canyon is by exploring its numerous hiking trails. The South Rim, which is open year-round, offers some of the most popular trails, like the Bright Angel Trail and the South Kaibab Trail. These trails provide incredible views and an up-close look at the canyon's diverse ecosystems. The Bright Angel Trail, for instance, takes you on a journey from the rim to the river, offering breathtaking vistas and a chance to encounter the canyon's unique flora and fauna. Remember to bring plenty of water, wear sturdy shoes, and be prepared for changing weather conditions. If you're seeking a more serene and less crowded experience, the North Rim is the place to be. Open from mid-May to mid-October, this side of the canyon offers a more remote and rugged adventure. The North Rim is higher in elevation, which means cooler temperatures and lush forests. Watching the sunset over the Grand Canyon is a magical experience that you simply can't miss. As the sun dips below the horizon, the canyon's walls light up with brilliant hues of red, orange, and gold, creating a breathtaking spectacle that leaves you in awe. The Grand Canyon is also home to a diverse array of wildlife. From majestic California condors soaring above to elusive mountain lions and playful rock squirrels, the canyon's ecosystems are teeming with life. Keep your eyes peeled for these amazing creatures during your visit. The Grand Canyon is not just a geological wonder, it's also a place rich in cultural history. For thousands of years, Native American tribes, including the Havasupai, Hualapai, and Navajo, have called this region home. Their deep connection to the land is evident in the petroglyphs and ancient dwellings found throughout the canyon. Today, the Grand Canyon continues to captivate millions of visitors each year. The Grand Canyon Village on the South Rim is a hub of activity, offering amenities like lodges, restaurants, and museums. It's a great starting point for your adventure, with plenty of resources to help you plan your trip. Don't forget to check out some of the iconic viewpoints along the rim. Mather Point, Yavapai Observation Station, and Desert View Watchtower offer some of the most spectacular panoramic views of the canyon. Each viewpoint provides a unique perspective and photo opportunity. For the more adventurous souls, rafting the Colorado River is an unforgettable way to experience the Grand Canyon. Guided tours range from thrilling whitewater adventures to leisurely float trips, allowing you to see the canyon from a whole new angle. The Grand Canyon's diverse ecosystems support a wide range of plant and animal life. From the vibrant wildflowers that bloom in the spring to the hardy cacti that thrive in the arid environment, the canyon is a botanical wonderland. Look closely, and you'll discover the intricate beauty of nature's resilience. Whether you're hiking, rafting, or simply taking in the views, the Grand Canyon offers endless opportunities for adventure and discovery. Each visit reveals something new, making it a place you can return to time and time again, always finding new wonders to explore. As the day comes to an end, the Grand Canyon transforms into a serene and peaceful haven. The fading light casts long shadows, and the stars begin to twinkle above, creating a tranquil atmosphere that's perfect for reflection and appreciation. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through the Grand Canyon. I hope you enjoyed this exploration of its natural beauty, rich history, and endless adventures. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Explore, share, connect.